guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition AC and heater blower motor with fan that fits the Toyota Prius from 2001 to 2009. So as you can see here, this is the fan assembly here, and this installs beneath the dash, and this is what actually allows your air conditioning system to blow hot or cold air. This spins, and this is actually what allows the airflow. This is going to be a direct replacement for the factory part. If we look at the bottom here, you can see it's secured with 3 screws. So you'll remove the 3 screws to remove the factory assembly. And then there's one electrical connector that plugs in over here that you'll disconnect from the factory and you'll plug into here. Now what's really important is when you remove the electrical connector from the factory blower, you want to inspect that connector, make sure there's no corrosion on it, any signs of burning or anything like that before you install the new motor. Sometimes a factory harness will have some burn marks on it, and if that's the case, you want to change that harness before installing it with the new blower motor to avoid any sort of issues. Like any of our parts, if you do have any sort of questions, whether they're questions about the product or questions about installation, please feel free to send us a message and we'll be glad to help.